everyone. My name is Miriam.
I'm Toke Suave.
So we are here at Admiralty Conference Center, Victoria Island, for the 70th birthday of Professor Raman Adebelu, the former Vice Chancellor, University of Lagos.
And today he's also having his retirement party from the University of Lagos. So join us as we go upstairs and introduce you to the guests, and let's have fun. Thank you.
Now at the event, we have a lot of dignitaries in here, the likes of Dr. Wale Babalakin, the Pro-Chancellor of the University of Lagos. We also have the Vice Chancellor, University of Lagos, Professor Oluwatoyin Ogundikwe, and lots more in the house.
And so we'd like to take you guys to the Yewa Development Forum for the students, where we're seated. It's just over there. So we'll go there right now. Thank you. Guys, this is a table for the Yewa Development Forum for student members. So I would like to introduce you to some of them. This is Alutri Latif. Say hi. He's the current president of the National Association of Ogun State Students. And we have Dami, we have Damilari.
And it's Rashid Fatima. We also have Basira Olaniba.
Yeah. And we have Abibat here. So let's enjoy the rest of the party.
It's a joy, full of joy to turn 70 today. I'm happy that I'm being received by my colleagues and by my friends and family. So it is a thing of joy. Well, I'm here to serve humanity. My experiences will be needed anywhere where I can be useful. I'm ready to assist the nation and do my own thing. As an academic, you don't retire completely. You still go into work, you still have things to do. So definitely, I'm still active in those areas. So I can be fully retired. And I have my community also. I've been a community advocate. I've been fully involved with the Yewa affair, so I have more time on my hands to even assist and support the Yewa agenda. So I'm welcome myself back to the struggle for Yewa land. Yeah.
So, sir, how do you relate with the celebrant, sir?
He is, first of all, my relation. He is from Iboru. I am from Imeko. He grew up in Imeko. That is the first level. The second level is that we were colleagues in the University of Lagos. I was a few years ahead of him. As you can see, I retired some 15 years ago, and he is just retiring. So he's a man, I call him a young man, that I admire a lot, that I respect a lot. A gentleman that deserves all the honor that anybody can confer on anybody.
Well, I'm related to him in terms of being one of the professors that work with him, and one professor that worked with him at close socket, and is a professor and vice chancellor that I admire. I'm one of the few people who even encouraged him to apply for for visitorship when the time came. He didn't want to apply. If you look at the record, he was the last to apply. So he's a honestly transparent person, and he's a man that brought brand to the University of Lagos. And he is a man that takes care of the good welfare of the students and staff. He's a man of peace. He's religiously dedicated to both professional and academic excellence. So we adore him.
Yes, I am the royal father to the celebrant, Chief Ramon Bello. It's my uncle and also it's my son as well, being the royal father of the community where he comes from.
Professor Bello is a big brother, kind of, and he's a mentor and somebody I personally admire. I'm a university lecturer as well, and I remember I took over from him as the Commissioner for Special Duties, so we shared many things in common. But I know since I have met him, or since I have encountered or discovered him, he has been a good source of inspiration, not just to me, to many people from Yewa land. Of course, the link there is that is Yewa. We are one and we are brothers. But he's an elder that should be celebrated and deserve all the respect.
So, sir, with all you've said, what do you think is the major contribution of Professor to Yewa community?
He has done a lot, even politically. To serve as a commissioner is not an easy thing. And I think it was during his time that the Conference of Yewa Obas met and concluded on the change of name of Egbado to Yewa land. So the next step was pushed forward by me when I got into the same office. He has done well for the Muslim community of Yewa land. He's been celebrated here and there, and I think he deserves it.
Well, Professor Bello is like a father figure, not only to me, but a number of us who are professionals, who are also participating in the political space of Ogun State, especially from Ogun West Senatorial District, most importantly from Yewa land. He's like a mentor, a father figure, somebody we look up to, somebody who guides us, who directs us, who advises us. And most of the time, these advices, when we put it together, we see that whatever we want to accomplish, we are able to accomplish it. So he's somebody we are very proud of.
Well, both of us are from Yewa land. He was the president of Yewa Union for 12 years. It was Yewa Union that metamorphosed to Yewa Land Development Forum. So he handed over to me. So we are both brothers and fellow sons of Yewa land.
Professor Bello is our big brother. I'm from Ayetoro, and he's one of those few ones in Yewa that we look up to, and he has really done Yewa proud, because he has excelled in every areas of endeavor that he has found himself, both as a lecturer, as a commissioner, and finally as a vice chancellor of one of the now universities in Nigeria, that's the University of Lagos. So in fact, I have to cancel an appointment to ensure I'm here to join others to honor him.
Prof is my junior brother. I say it's a brother, but normally in the English something you say cousin, but it's a very close brother in the sense that you say Prof is made up from Akinlolu, Adeniyi and Bello. You say Bello is his own surname. The name of the mother is Adeniyi. The name of the grandmother is Akinlolu. You can trace it like that, from Akinlolu to Adeniyi to Bello. That's it.
Professor Bello is a core Yewa man, and you know, he's been the chairman of Yewa Union. You know, for enlightenment, Yewa Union changed to Yewa Land Development Forum. for corporate identity purposes. So while we were in Yewa Union, Professor Bello played a very active role. He actually was the chairman of that union for upward of about 8 to 10 years, and 4 out of those years I served him as the general secretary. So he was the chairman, I was the secretary at a particular time.
It's Professor Rahman Adisa Bello. He's like a mentor, a father figure to me personally. I've really learned a lot from him. It's been the sole pioneering effort for Yewa Union. He's been the chairman of Yewa Union for over 15 years, and I've been learning the process, how to administer our people. You know, the most difficult thing to administer is people. Very, very difficult to administer. So I've been learning from him. Before Yewa Union now became Yewa Land Development Forum, he's been the #1 person.